Mr. Benson! Yes. C'est excited, Tanaka, Ninja.
Hello, Mr. Bicep here and welcome to another one of my videos. And today I'll be showing you how they make argan oil at a small argan oil factory here in Morocco. There isn't many of these little factories around anymore because most of the oil production is taken over by the big companies who use machines to extract the oil. So buying from these little factories actually helps the local people, and also you know you're getting the real thing. In this factory, the oil is extracted by hand, the old-fashioned way.
So this is women's cooperative for extraction argan oil. So I will give you some idea how to make argan oil.
Okay.
So this is the fruit of argan tree. Okay. Start green, then yellow, then become brown like this when it's grown totally. And we collect the fruit in summer. In summer become like this. Okay. And for extraction the argan oil, you should follow many steps. The first step is peeling.
Okay.
We peel the fruit like this to get the nut. This is the nut. The peel eaten by animals, and the nut you use it for the second step. Okay. The second step we break the nut between the almond and the nut. So this is the almond. Okay. So this one we use it for extraction the argan oil, and shells we use it for making fire, to burn fire.
To burn for fire.
Yeah.
Everything using.
Yes. Okay. So we have argan oil, we have food oil and cosmetic. So for food oil, we roasted the almond like this.
Oh, and you can eat it?
Yes, but it's bitter.
Can I try
it's
one?
good for health.
I want to try one anyway.
Yeah. So we roasted the almond like this.
Oh, that's nice. After it's bitter.
After it's bitter, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really
But it's
nice.
good.
Have fun.
I actually grabbed a handful and put it in my mouth. It tastes like roasted nuts to start off with, but then there was a really bad aftertaste that stays with you for the rest of the day. Just makes you feel sick.
For diabetic and cholesterol people. After that we put it in this grinder till it becomes paste like this. But for cosmetic we don't roast the almond, we crush it.
Oh, bro. Oil is coming down. They grind the seeds.
So the last step we take the paste inside, we add water, we mix it by hand like this. After 30 minutes we squeeze it to separate the oil like this. This is the rest. So this one we use it for making black soap. We use it in hammam for peeling skin. And this is the rest from cosmetic oil. So we use it for making scrub, mask and natural soap.
Okay.
Yeah. So for cosmetic we take the almond like this, no roasted, just fresh. We put it in this machine. The machine crush the almond, separate the oil here. This is the oil. And the rest come in here.
Okay, and you use the oil for
cosmetic, for the face,
Oh,
for hair, for body. And for the rest, we use it for making scrub, mask, and natural soap.
so just like this, or do you have to put it in
No,
something?
we crush it. We
Okay.
crush it. We add some.
Things to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Very hot when it comes out.
Yes, it's. If you are interested by something,
You know,
and if you want something, I will give you the price.
Yeah.
do you know how we can tell the difference between this and the fake one?
Yes.
Is it like mixed?
So the pure oil it doesn't smell. Doesn't smell.
Oh, no smell on it.
Doesn't smell the pure oil.
Okay.
And it absorbs easily. When we put it in
Yeah,
your
it's
hair,
gone.
it absorbs
Yeah.
easily. It's not greasy. Also for the
So
hair,
not
it's
greasy.
not greasy. The hair absorbs easily the oil. And for you can look of the colors is yellow like this.
Okay. Oh, so yellow.
When we see the colors like this brown, that means it's for eating, but for cosmetic is like
Yeah,
this.
because it's been roasted, that's why.
Yes, that's why.
That's why.
It's quite easy.
Yeah, people say, oh, I should do some sediment at the bottom. But
Yes,
is that
yes,
true?
yeah, yeah.
That's true as well?
Yes, so when we take, when we go to filter it, you can look in the, this, you can look at just small piece, white piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it means it's good quality. It means
But
it's,
can people just put little bit at the bottom maybe? Because they buy fake one, they can just put little bit.
yes,
Why?
maybe,
Yeah,
maybe.
you know.
But in the cooperative like this, we have the certification of quality. We have some,
Guarantee like a
yes,
Okay.
it's be sure that
Certified,
it's good
yeah.
quality. We can't.
Alter it.
Yes.
Right, okay. Okay.
good to know.
Food oil. This is food oil
For eating.
This is almond butter. Okay, so this one is mixed between almond, argan oil, and sweetened by honey. So you can take some bread and you can try it.
Okay.
So the benefits of argan oil, it's good for diabetic and cholesterol.
I was the only one who didn't try this because I was still feeling sick from those roasted nuts I had earlier on. I mean, the aftertaste, it just stays with you for the rest of the day.
And it's very rich on vitamin E, omega-3 and 6. And for almond butter is energy.
How is it?
Yeah. This is the oil.
This one almond
Hey,
butter.
nuts and honey.
How would you say it is, Jay?
More videos coming soon. Like my head, please subscribe and share.